Hello, welcome back. The video topic today is about foods, 7 foods, mainly 7 foods to be avoided in a diabetic patients. We all know diabetics, the blood sugar rises and they need some nutritional food. And if suppose their sugar is not under control for some reason, and they should avoid these 7 main foods. Number one is fast food with refined carbohydrates. Fast food generally, pizza, burgers, all these fast foods, they have only maida, refined flour are there. So no outer brand, no fiber. So fiberless sugar. So calories very high, glycemic index high. So they can gain weight, constipation plus sugar rises very fast. So number one. Number two, starchy vegetables. What is a starchy vegetables? Anything like potato, yam. They're all like soft carbohydrate rich vegetables, or generally anything that grows below the ground level. They are rich in carbohydrates. Potato is nothing but carbohydrate. It doesn't have that much of nutritional value. It can give calories, but people with diabetes should avoid that. Number three, deep fried foods. So anything deep fried, what usually we fry is refined flour. Carbohydrates are the main thing which we refine. So repeated heating or mostly the oil, they're all trans fat. So trans fat is not good for the cholesterol part, as well as the carbohydrates, which the main ingredient that is rich in calorie, as well as glycemic index is very high. So sugar spikes. This is very important. The next is bakery items. Anything bakery, your cakes, biscuits, they're all nothing but maida, like pure carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, we can say that. And so glycemic index is very high. Even the cream, they're all pure sugar. So definitely people with the diabetes should avoid these things. And the next is fruit juices. People are very fond of fruits and juices. They all think fruit juice is really good. Definitely there is no argument about the goodness of the fruits, but whether now the fruit is really good for the diabetic is very important, because all the fruits has simple sugars. And the juice, you got to add 2 3 fruits. I mean, suppose you want to make an apple juice, instead of 1 apple they take 2 apple with artificial sweetness or even sugar. So definitely sugar will not come to normal. Then you can say dry fruits. All the dry fruits are really good, they are nutritious, but they should avoid cashew nut, raisins, and uh, dates. Dates, people think it's rich in iron, definitely, but not to that extent they think. But it raises the sugar very fast. Cashew, raisins, they're all raise the sugar very fast. So glycemic index is very high. So the diabetes should avoid that. Then the last one, the seventh one is everybody knows. The useless, I always say, it's nothing but white rice. White rice is nothing but nutrition value is almost zero, but it's pure sugar. Glycemic index is very high, so the sugar can rise. So people with the diabetes, if they think their sugar is not under control, they should get the help of the doctor. First, they should avoid these food. Third, very importantly, they should take their medicine properly. They should walk. If the sugar is not under control, we always advise 6 minutes of walk after each meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner. 6 minutes within the house, within the hall, whatever it is. 6 minutes of walk, and keep checking your blood sugar and get your diabetes help. Thank you.